Yes, sir.
Okay, so outline agreement is an agreement between company and the supplier. The concept of supplying material or goods over the period of time. So here we have two different agreement type, contracts and scheduling agreement. Under the contract, we have two different type of contracts like value contract and quantity contract. And then we have a schedule agreement. So value contract, quantity contract in the sense like there is a predefined a material value, predefined material quantity. Consider I have contract for 2 years. Okay, my material price is 100. If I have a contract for 2 years, you must maintain the same price till 2 years. You are not supposed to increase at any cost. Even there is a quantity. There is a 5,000 or 10,000 quantity of a material is required. Okay, over the period of 1 year. However, you send you this month you send 200, next month you send 100, no problem. But whatever the period is there, 1 year, so you must supply those 10,000 quantity. Okay. Why we do this? What happened exactly? What is the necessary of doing this? Why? Consider I receive an order from a customer. I'm from production area. So I receive an order from customer for 20,000 good day biscuit. Okay. What are the raw material required? We required wheat flour, sugar, flavor, color, something like that. Okay. That I have to arrange. Okay. And when I have to supply to the customer, when I have to deliver, maybe after 2 months. 2 months is the delivery time. So I have to lock it, right? And price is finalized. All the pricing finalized, delivery time is finalized, everything is finalized with the customer. Now, if I make a contract, then I'm 100% safe. I will receive the quantity on time, I will receive the on the same price for the raw material. Consider in between if any supplier increase the price, then I'll be in loss. Because I already received the order, right? At whatever the price per pieces. Okay. So if somebody increase the price, then I'll be lost. Or if somebody failed to supply, then how can I produce 20,000 good biscuit? If I arrange some other, it will take a time. So somebody says, no, I can't supply you, 10 kg now. I'm having only 5 kg. You tell me if you want 5 kg, I will supply. Then I will say, no, I have a deadline. I don't want 5 kg. I need a 10 to 20 kg. Okay. So these challenges will be there in the real time. So when we make a contract, so it is more simple, dedicated. The complete requirement is locked. So supplier can't play. Correct. That is the logic. And there is one more thing. This is an older process. This is not the current process. So you don't have to focus much on this particular area because we have something called NDA. This process gone. You are not using in real time. Okay. What we are having NDA. Anybody knows what is NDA? Non-disclosure agreement. Okay. If I tell you non-disclosure agreement, what happened? Maximum products in the market today manufactured by someone, labeled by someone. Maximum products. You take Geo product, Geo mobile, Geo fiber net, Geo modem, Geo network device. Whatever you are getting Geo, it is not manufactured by Geo company or Reliance. It's manufactured by somebody else, but label it as a Geo. I'll give best example of your laptop. The laptop, Intel is a processor. From Intel. IBM, what do you call this? Dell. Dell has a chipsets, that, this, everything. I'm talking about the panel. Who designed this panel? Dell? No way. The panel designing done by a Chinese company. Okay. Not only laptop panel, all the 99% all the electronic devices completely designed by a Chinese company, including you take TV and all. Okay, all kind of panel designed by them. But what they labeled is Dell in the laptop. Correct. So maximum industry, one, what I'll do, consider I am a company. My company name is RK. Consider I'm dealing with some product, XYZ product. Then what I'll do, I'll ask the manufacturer, you produce 10,000 product and label my name, RK Industries. So 99% what you are having in the market, those are like this one. So this process is not really required because you are not manufacturing. You don't have any deadline. You are asking somebody to manufacture and he will directly dump at your place. Take boss with this product with your name. Clear? That is NDA, non-disclosure agreement. Maximum you take, maximum if you well-known companies I can tell. Wipro bulb, LED bulb. Who's doing that? Siemens, Schneider Electric, okay, Godrej. There are so many products, okay, not manufactured by them. They labeled by that. The product you can see, okay, this is a Godrej brand. Okay. So that is actually there in the current market. Okay, that is NDA. So this process, when there is an NDA, you don't have to worry, right? Because you are not manufacturing. Correct. You are not arranging a raw material, you are not having a deadline. Somebody is manufacturing, you received an order, you tell him, okay, is this ready? Give me. Deliver. Okay, so this process is little older process, but you can understand the execution. Like if you've done RFQ, this is very simple and which is very similar. You have the same three data, header data, item overview, vendor address. Same. Okay. Eighty-five. Base capital 19. So make a note of the path menu, logistic, material management, purchasing, outline agreement, contract. Got it? What is sentence approved? You. I told you some word. in all done. So now let's go to ME31K. Oh, got disconnected. I don't know. Here it will disconnect, but my place it won't disconnect. I have a static IP. If I keep an 1 hour, so many times like I go down, I buy some stuff and come back, it will be working fine. I don't have to log in back. But here I don't know. It will get disconnected in 10-15 seconds. S capital 19. So going back again, logistic, material management, purchasing, order agreement, contract, any 31K, double click. So here in an RFQ, you are giving vendor detail at last. Here you are giving at first, in the beginning. So I'm taking some existing vendor. Okay. You can use any vendor, any material randomly, not like what you are maintained in your RFQ. RFQ, why we took that combination? Because you have to assign to your info record. That is the reason. The logic behind like what you have in the info record, because it required a quotation reference. So once you do that, then you realize that okay, again you are going back to this one, the actual process. So which has the pure reference also there. Correct. You're already having a pure reference in the same document. So again you are giving a quotation reference. But here you can use any vendor, any material. So it is the concept is maintain one for value, one for quantity, and all executions are same only. Okay, so here I mentioned the only you can make out like value contract priority for value, quantity priority for material quantity. That's it. But execution process everything is same. You're not going to find any difference. Okay, and the agreement type we have two agreement type. One is WK value contract. Another one is MK quantity contract. Okay, one is WK, another one is MK. Two we have. Let's execute WK. Okay, followed by Purchase organization 1000, purchasing group 001, client 1000, storage 0001. Okay, this format looks same. Enter. So here the validity. So in the RFQ, you are having validity for 8 days, 10 days, something like that. Here the validity for 1 year, 2 years. Because this is a contract. Okay. So here what you do. So 23/6/2022. So 23/06/2024. 2-year contract. Okay. And what is the budget? So in the RFQ and all, you will be having a little budget because you need within a 1 week. You need within 10 days. So here the budget should be higher. So here my budget is 5,50,000. Budget is 5,50,000. And remember where you are exactly entering these data. Where did you enter your validity? Because this is what exactly needed so that you can pictureize. Okay, when you are acting as a consultant, you have to develop this habit. Like initially, I might have asked like, where do you entered your planned delivery? You know, so you need to pictureize what exactly the data you are entering where. Okay, like under administrative fields, you had a validity. Under terms of delivery and payment, you have the target value. Okay, and you see here it also has a quotation reference, but it's okay. Not really required because this is little older process, so you don't have to again bring that your quotation reference and update. Not required. So press enter. So this item overview is same, right? Hmm? So take the material. I'm taking some uh, existing material, and I'll cross check the price. It must be 100. Hmm? It's taking time. Hmm. Bring back again. Logistic, material management, purchasing, agreement, contract, any 31K. So this is my vendor followed by agreement type WK. Value contract. Purchase organization 1000, purchasing group followed by 1,000. Storage 001. Give the validity 2 years. Give the budget 5,50,000. Enter. So here take your materials. So I'm taking RPB orange. So how much quantity I can expect? Hmm? 5,50,000. Is this correct? So 5,500 quantity I can expect of this requirement. Okay. And what is the price? 100. I think I haven't checked it right. Okay. So just to make sure, avoiding not give the price randomly. Okay. So you should have the make an habit taking exact material price. Okay. So that even in a real time we do cross check exactly because that is an incoming price. Selling price is, however, for you I'm selling at say 200. For him I'm selling at 300. You got it? Selling is different, totally different. It depends on like if he's giving less business, you are giving more business, I'll give a discount. If somebody comes saying that I'm looking for 50,000 quantity this material, then I will give him far better discount. Okay, like that. It totally depends when we talk into sales level. When we talk into purchasing level, purchasing is an incoming price. So we always negotiate, we try to bring it down. Okay, we always try to get it little margin. Okay, so we always cross check material cost, then we take any input. Okay, press enter. So here we got material, description, quantity, price, material group, plant and storage. Okay, only these two data are there, nothing else. Okay, so again, repeating the same, this is in your item overview, the header detail, vendor address. Vendor is already taken in the beginning itself. Okay, then I'll say this. So here is our value contract. Okay, value in the sense only the priority for the value. Let it be quantity here and there at this particular situation. But the value, because I committed some price, if they increase, then I'll be in trouble. They can manage with late delivery, no problem. But the price should be set. If you increase the price, then I'll be in trouble. Something like that. Okay. This is priority for the value only. The material what you have 100, so that should be maintained till 2024. Okay. Now let's come back. Going for the same T4, changing only the agreement type. So now going for MK quantity. Okay, so either I can take same vendor or different vendor, giving the same similar validity, assuming that we are maintaining for the same supplier. Value contract, quantity contract, value contract for the same supplier. Okay, so budget is also exactly same. Take the similar material, quantity 5,500, price is 100. Now, this is on priority. So you must supply 5,500 without fail. Okay. The main agenda, the main concept is only focusing on the quantity. Okay. Price, customer says it's okay here and there, the price is, I don't worry about the pricing, but you must deliver on this given time. Pricing is okay. Like think about two sides. Customer is saying that the price already decided, now I can't change the price. That is a critical situation. So I'll make a contract that vendor should not change the price. So that I'll be in very safe situation. And now the quantity, not the price. The customer says price here and there, it's okay, but you must deliver on say July or August, I require at any cost. Price okay, make 2% extra, no problem. You know, we have in a real time like that. ಇದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರ್ದೋ ಗೃಹ ಪ್ರವೇಶ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ there are some items are required. It's okay, go and bring it. They said, okay, we need it on this date, right? Huh? So these are there in the real time. Okay, some cases customer himself says, okay, You increase pricing, it's okay, can be adjusted here and there, but it should be supplied. Okay. So this priority for the quantity. Hmm? So here the same thing we have your header data, your vendor address, and item mode. Okay. Only you can understand the execution process. And as I said, it is not really important. Okay, because the important stuff you have in the next level. Okay, those are your all assignments get double. Okay, so I'll save this where it shows that quantity contract has been created. Okay. I think Anusha, Gautam, Nagaratna, Priya, Sagar, the Zoom will disconnect within 1 minute. So I'm ending this now. Join back very quickly.
Yes, sir.